Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. This week we're going to be making a spring wreath that you can hang up in your home and enjoy with some felt flowers that you'll make. You can add buttons. It can really be whatever you imagine and makes you feel like springtime. So make sure you have your bag from the library. I'll go through what's in it and then do a quick run through of some things you could do on how to make your spring wreath. But like I said, this project is very creative and entirely up to you and how you want yours to look. So in the end of the video, I'll put a bunch of different inspiration pictures for you, and I can't wait to see what you all come up with. So let's get started. First up in your bag, you'll have gotten some pieces of felt. So you'll have some green for the leaves, and then you should have some colors for the flower petals. These will be how you make your felt flowers for your wreath. You also should have gotten some yarn. This can be used to wrap around your wreath. It can also be used to help hang it, however you want to use it. You also should have gotten some buttons. They could be all kinds of different ones. These you can use to glue on the center of your flowers, or they could just be extra decoration. Again, however you want to use these materials to make your spring wreath, how you imagine it. I did include in the kits for you a template, so you can cut these out to make your flower, or you can again design your own. And then finally, some people will have gotten some cardboard that is circular and round with a hole in the middle, and some will have gotten more of a medallion shape. Either one is okay, or you can cut out your own cardboard from home. So if you got this one, you can glue your wreath around it or some stuff in the middle. If you got the other one that has the hole in the middle, then you can also decorate around it, again, however you want to make your wreath. So the supplies are mostly self-explanatory, but I'll go through really quick just a few steps. The steps for this video aren't as set as some other videos because it's really up to you and how you want to make your wreath. So first, you have your template here. Go ahead and get some scissors from home and cut out each of these layers. And then once you cut out these layers, you can then put the template over the felt and then use it to cut out the shape in the felt. And then it says at the bottom of your template how you can place the layers together, or in this way, then you go ahead and cut, and then you can swirl it all together, and that will be your flower. So you will also need some glue from home to then glue your flowers or buttons onto your wreath or medallion shape. So that's basically how you make your spring wreath. I'll now insert in some pictures to the end of this video to show you some examples to get some inspiration. I hope that you create a nice, bright, happy spring wreath that you can hang up in your room or around your home that can just give you all kinds of nice, happy spring vibes. Next week, we're going to be making a flower pin, so be sure to come by the library and pick up a kit on how to make a flower pin. Thanks for participating in Tween DIY every week. We hope that you enjoy it, and we will see you next week for another video. Bye, everybody.